Hello. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily collaborate in Revit using the cloud with the help of TigerBridge, our storage management solution. We have separated the journey to the cloud our customers usually take in three main steps. The first step is something we call solidification. This is addressing the problems of today and can be achieved with on-premises tools or using the cloud. Storage extension, disaster recovery, continuous data protection, cost optimization, and intelligent archiving fall under this category. The next step is the extension. It requires the usage of the cloud as it serves the needs for sync and share, multi-site sync, and remote workflows capabilities. The last step is what we call augmentation. TigerBridge stores the data in the cloud in a non-proprietary native format. This enables the usage of different AI, big data, and data insight solutions. If you would like to get more information about these steps and their applications, please check out our Journey to the Cloud video. For Revit, we enable all these three steps with TigerBridge. All the challenges of Step 1 can be resolved easily. For Step 2, let us see how the collaboration works. If you have two machines with Revit in two different locations, like London and New York, we can use a cloud and the sync and share capability of TigerBridge to enable a remote workflow and collaboration between these locations. We have a setup like this in a demo environment with two machines, one with a green background and a second one with a blue background. Revit is installed and TigerBridge is configured to synchronize the information in a local folder called Revit Source on both of them through the cloud. On the first one, we have a sample local project open, and we can make a change to an element. Let's make this project central, which means it will go to the bridge source, then to the cloud, and eventually it will get synced to the other machine. That happens by first going to the Collaborate menu. We need to select the Within Your Network option as the bridge source is exported as network share. The next step is to save it as a central project. The option will be selected by default in the File Save options. The saving path should be selected as a network share. In our example, we can see all the network shares on the local host and select the Revit Source shared folder. Now we can go to the other machine and see that it is indeed present in the Revit Source folder there. We will open a project in Revit and browse to the local network share and select the Revit Source shared folder. By default, that will also create a new local project as well. If we now try to make a change to the element we were working on in the other machine, we will get an error message as the element is locked. Note that the whole project is not locked, only the element being worked on. In the error message, you have the option to place a request that will get sent to the other machine, which keeps the element locked. Going back to the first machine, we can see the request there with an option to grant the access. Then the user of the blue machine will be able to make changes. This is how we enable the collaboration of Step 2, extension in Revit with TigerBridge. And since we store the files in the cloud in a non-proprietary format, we have Step 3, augmentation prepared. Whenever you decide you want to adopt any of the specific cloud-enabled AI services, your infrastructure will be prepared for that, and the cloud solutions will be able to add metadata to your existing information. TigerBridge is storing the data as folders and files in the cloud. Let's see this in action. We have a digital asset management application running here and showing the pictures in a folder that is being replicated to the cloud. There is also an AI service for picture recognition that runs and processes the pictures in the cloud and returns back some metadata information for them. If we take a bunch of pictures and put them in the respective replicated folder, we will be able to see the newly added information almost instantly. As soon as the files get replicated, which means copied over to the cloud, they get processed by the AI, which adds the metadata information, and we can see it in the local application. Now you can search the metadata content locally without going to the cloud. This is possible thanks to the non-proprietary format TigerBridge uses to store the information in the cloud. The same concept applies to using any other AI now or in the future. This concludes our video showing you how to perform remote collaboration in Revit with the help of TigerBridge. Thank you for viewing.